Hi there and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to clean up your data in Excel. So you just received this kind of information within the same column where we have the employee's name and the sales they made. So we want to clean up this one and put it in the right places. So for the names, we want to move them from here, like this John Kamau, we want to put him in this section. Then the sales he made, to put it in the respective sales column. So to copy like this, as you can see, we will have to take a lot of time to move the entire information to the right section. So I'm going to show you a shortcut of how to do this. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. So the first thing that you'll need to do, you'll need to select the entire column with the information you want. And once you select like that, you'll come to this section, then press Control plus letter G. So once you press like that, we will have this box here. Then you come to this section and click special. So once you click special, as you can see, we have different options. So we'll just come to this section and select the constants. So as you can see, we have a list of data that has been selected. We have numbers, text, logics, and errors. So we will remove everything that we don't need. So we want the text only. Text is the names, then click OK. So once you click OK, as you can see, they have been selected. So you'll need to press Control plus copy, then come to that section and then press Control plus V, which is to paste. So as you can see, it has been pasted. So we will need to repeat the process again. Then come back to this section, select the entire section, then press Control plus G. Then we'll have this box here. I've forgotten the name. Then click special and also click special, then click constant. Remove everything that you don't need. We don't need the text, we don't need logics, we don't need errors. So we are remaining with the numbers, then click OK. And as you can see, the numbers have been selected. So we'll need to press Control C, that is to copy, then come to this section, then we press Control plus V, which is for pasting. And as you can see, we have the names in the right column and we have the sales these respective people made in the right column. So that's basically it for today. If you like this video, kindly consider liking, sharing, and subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye.